Hey folks, I just want to provide a really quick update to the speaker build for that really small space and just to answer a question as to what it looked like, because I didn't add that in the previous video. But here they are, and I think they turned out great and she loves them. Perfect fit. I wish YouTube would allow us to add images or make smaller updates to the videos that are already posted, but they don't, so I have to make this separate video. But when I tell you the fit was tight, I mean the fit was tight. I said it in the original video, which I will link below, but snug doesn't cut it. Here's a close look, and I'm here to tell you 7 inches was it. 7 1/4 was the total space, but 7 inches was it. As you can clearly see, I have about a 1/16 or so on either side, but it fits and it works out nicely. It blends in perfect with the white baseboard and the white door trim. The white was the right color for this. However, there's an added bonus that I wasn't thinking about it because I didn't think it would be a thing. That alcove behind the entertainment cabinet acts as a nice little resonant chamber, giving us a sweet little bass boost that is a bonus, a totally unexpected bonus. But all in all, everything worked out great. She loves it, and using it on a daily. You can't ask for better than that. I have another build video that I'm about to post really soon, so stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.